So here's Anna in her little pink bag.
Mom, picture.
A picture? You want picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, picture then. Magpa-picture daw siya. Go ahead. Go ahead. Sa picture. 1, 2. Pose na. Smile. Ay, sus. Picture daw siya. Pero naka-video to. Anna. Okay, can I see what's in your bag? Hey, wait. Can I see what's in your bag? I want to see what's in your bag.
Look.
Oh, it's a clip. And then, what else? Okay.
It's me.
Okay. And then?
It's my makeup.
Oh, it's your makeup? Wow. Can I see what's in what makeup you have?
I have lipstick.
I have lipstick. Wow. I wanna see that lipstick then. Wow. How to put lipstick?
Mommy, did you pick lipstick?
Yeah, go ahead. No. I don't need lipstick. There you go. Wow. What else you have in your bag? I like this one. Can you wear that? Yeah? Can you show to us how you wear a sunglass? This is nice.
I have another sunglass.
Okay. Oops. Oh, no. You need to get it, Daddy.
I need to get it.
Okay, get it then. You have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Alright.
I'm done for.
So, what else you have? What else you have?
I have my hat. I have.
Oh, you also have hearing? Wow, pasyonista man bata ng bayan, oy. $10 lang to mga palangga. Kasama na yung mga,
It's mine. It's
mga
mine.
lipstick na plastic. Hindi naman to
Stop.
lipstick.
Stop. Push it.
Okay. Then, this one is nice too. May kasamang bag. At saka may kasama pang high heel.
Whoa. Oh.
Wow. Okay, what else you have in your bag? I want to see what's in your bag. Do you want to see what's in your bag? Right?
Oh, it's
I'm gonna post this in your page. You know that you have a lot of friends in your page, and you wanna see what's in Anna's bag. Let me see. Oh, it also has mirror. Wow, and a comb. Wow, meron pa siyang mirror. At saka
Hey,
foundation.
I need
Is it like foundation? Oh, this is nice.
Oh,
This is nice. Parang
Oh.
blush on to. Hindi naman plastic.
Oh, yes.
Oh, what? Okay. Wow. Sus, make-up na daw ang bata, oy. Okay, it's done na. Then you can go having a car ride now. Put this one then. How you gonna put that? She's so happy. Oh, such a typical little girl na bata na.
Put it in my bag.
Oh, you put in a bag. The mirror.
My comb. My clips.
Tingos man na bata na mo, pang mo.
Oh,
Nahulog ang tipara.
my clips.
Your clips. There you go. But let me see now. Let me see now. Let me see. Okay, let me close. Okay, let me see. Stand up now. Wow. Wow. Okay. Here. Let me see. Wow, that's pretty. Wow.
Hey, no.
You know?
No.
Okay. Can you say bye, mga palangga? Thank you. I'm just dropping by to say hi.
Bye.
I love you all.
I will touch my shoes.
Thank you for watching.
If you're watching it, touch my shoes.
I love you
I
all.
love you. I need to touch my shoes.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I need to.
Wait, word first.
Bye.
Throw a kiss.
Hmm.